Where the hell do I go? Oh, there's the keys. Oh yeah, hello, partner. How do we start it? Okay, let's go, Zila. And Jonas, I guess. Oh, wait for me. Oh, we left Jonas. Where? Why you left him behind? Oh God. Oh yeah, I definitely see that. Ah, he's going to die. Jonas is going to die. Oh, he's walking. Oh, the freak. Wait for him, you noob. Wait. Oh my gosh, this noob. Oh yeah, you gotta walk. Oh, oh yeah, he's so dead. Let me in. Let me in. Oh my gosh, I'm dead too. Wait for me. Wait for me, you little noob. You're cooked, Jonas. You're so cooked. Oh, you're so cooked. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Start the car. Oh, it's horrible. Yeah, yeah, I hear him. I hear him. Yeah, I hear. Oh hell no. Okay, someone needs to drive. I need to drive. I actually need to drive. How do you drive? Yeah. Yeah, let me get up. Him to me. Oh, thank you. Now I'm dead.